Today we're showcasing a side-by-side demonstration of our security film versus solar film. What we've done is we've treated one piece of glass with our 35% solar film, and we've treated the other piece of glass with our 8mm 35% security film. It's attached to the frame with an industrial adhesive. The typical use for the security film is to deter a would-be thief or burglar. It should slow them down or discourage them enough to where they're going to move on and leave your property alone. You saw what we did on the first piece of glass that was treated with our security film and our attachment. We're going to go ahead, and this is a glass that just has solar film on it. You see the glass stays intact to some degree. Now I'm actually only hitting it with one hand, and the tool is going right through the glass. With the security film, you'll see that I was swinging with both hands. Just the weight of the tool is doing the job.